This is Sandeep Rana from Tribune. We are on a campaign trail with India Bloc candidate and Congress leader Manish Tiwari. And it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm standing right outside his house and we are going to follow his campaign today. We have come here in sector 24 where Manish Tiwari ji is campaigning. Manish ji, how's the response?
The response is overwhelming. People are absolutely sick of inflation and unemployment. The groundswell is incredible and the people's response is wonderful. Of course, you know, it's much more intense and enthusiastic in the colonies and the villages. You know, city dwellers are usually a little more reticent, but overall the response is overwhelming. People are sick and tired of the BJP. It has done nothing for Chandigarh in the past 10 years. Namaskar ji. Ye hal hai. They have done nothing for Chandigarh in the past 10 years. And that is why Mr. Tandon is evading a debate, because he has nothing at all on his balance sheet to account for the performance of the BJP.
So these days you are holding more of Pad Yatra. So how is the connect with voters?
Well, it's a different kind of a... Namaskar ji, मैं मनीष तिवारी है जी, कांग्रेस और आम आदमी पार्टी का प्रत्याशी है. So it's a different kind of an election. नमस्कार जी. ध्यान रखना जी. So it's a different kind of an election because you know, this is more of a personalized kind of a campaign. You know, the previous parliament elections that had larger areas, so the campaign was more meeting based. Namaskar ji, मैं मनीष तिवारी है जी.
हेलो जी, वोट कांग्रेस को
नमस्कार जी. थोड़ी वोट दी रिक्वेस्ट करना है जी. So the campaign is much more personalized. नमस्कार जी.
इस बार पंजे में.
So the campaign is much more personalized, you know, as compared to constituencies where you have a larger physical expanse to cover. Namaskar ji. Namaskar ji.
पुराने मेंबर ने कांग्रेस से
ਆਪਾਂ ਝਾੜੂ ਚਲਵਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾ ਚਲਾਣਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜੀ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਵੋਟ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਆਏ ਜੇ ਤੱਕ
भाई इस बारी फतेह कर दियो.
So Jhadu and Panja is going to be there in this election?
Oh, absolutely. You see the synergy between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress on the ground. You, नमस्कार जी. आपकी वोट की रिक्वेस्ट करने आए थे जी.
शुरू से कांग्रेस ही है.
So you see the Aam Aadmi Party leading the campaign from the front. They are as if not more enthusiastic than the Congress workers. So there's total synergy on the ground, which is incredible given that this was the first experience with it. Given that this was the first such experiment of fighting an actual election on the ground, the experience has been, you know, really wonderful. Both of them have cooperated. You know, Lucky ji has an incredible cooperation on the top with the AAP leadership, but more importantly on the ground, the workers of both the parties have come together. There has not been one instance of any squabbling in the last almost 37 days that we have been campaigning.
And what you're offering to the voters?
Essentially what we are offering to the voters is change. Kiran Kher, the BJP, did nothing for Chandigarh. Namaskar ji. ਇਸ ਵਾਰੀ ਜੀ ਹੱਥ ਪੰਜਾ ਕੰਮ ਫਤਿਹ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਚਲੋ ਚਲੋ ਸੋ essentially
ਸਰ ਰਵਜੀਤ ਦਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਇੱਥੇ
ਪਿੰਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਥੋੜੇ ਕੁਰਸੀਆਂ ਕਰਸੀਆਂ ਲਵਾ ਕੇ
ਅੱਛਾ
ਇਹਨੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਮੈਨੇਜ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਆਪਣਾ
so
you're offering
ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਕਰਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ
So essentially, we are offering change. We are offering that Chandigarh is put back on the rails of progress. We are offering an alternative from the empty and hollow promises of the past 10 years. And essentially, what we are offering is a government. Namaskar ji.
तिवारी जी को वोट डालना है
इस बार झाड़ू की जगह पंजे का निशान है वो करना है आ जाओ क्या अंकल जी ओ ठीक हो ऐसे अपना पंजे का निशान है वो चलो करना है
And of course, we will implement the commitments that we've made in our national and local manifestos. What we are offering is a government which works for 140 crore people rather than a government which works for Gautam Adani. Acha. Namaskar ji.
what are your focus areas this election?
Well, the focus of this election is that every section of the people of Chandigarh is beset with problems. The colonies have their own problems, the city has its own problems. You know, the villages have problems with regard to Lal Dora. There are the housing board issues. There's the sale by share of property issue. So therefore, there are incredible number of unresolved issues, and what we are focusing upon is a resolution of these issues and a vision that will make Chandigarh the hub of the fourth industrial revolution. नमस्कार जी नमस्कार
सारी वोट हाथ पे
समीर जी बुलाओ फैमिली ने
नमस्कार जी
सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है जी
नमस्कार
ये अपनी फैमिली है
नमस्कार
ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਵੋਟਾਂ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ
ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਦੇ ਹੀ ਬੰਦੇ ਆ
ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਸਮੀਰ ਦੇ ਕਹਿਣ ਤੇ ਝਾੜੂ ਚਲਾਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾ ਚਲਾਉਣਾ ਬਸ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ
चलो किधर इधर जाना
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਕਰ ਲੈਣੇ ਫਿਰ ਤਿੰਨ ਚਾਰ ਘਰ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ
So around 8-9 days are left for the polls. So
10 days to polling as of today morning. The polling would start around this time, exactly 10 days later.
it is 23
so what are you going to focus on these 10 days?
Well, नमस्कार जी, आपके वोट की रिक्वेस्ट करने आए थे जी इस बारी.
Your national leaders are lined up to come this week.
Yes, we have
ਆਪਣਾ ਘਰ ਹੈ ਸਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਦੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮਗਾਉਂਗੇ
well, you see, the difference between Mr. Tandon and I is that while he needs people to come and campaign for him, you know, I go out and campaign for people. But having said that, you know, a large number of friends and colleagues would be addressing press conferences and rallies this week in Chandigarh. Yes, and so the election. The election is really starting now. It's the last 10 days, which is always very, very crucial.
But your rival Mr. Sanjay Tandon says that he's going to win by a record margin.
ਲੈਫਟ ਹੋ ਜਾ
Well,
ਰਾਈਟ
if somebody wants to live in cuckoo land, then I wish him all the best. You know, he is going to. Namaskar ji. Namaskar.
ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ
ਉਹ ਸ਼ਮੀ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਘਰੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਆਣਾ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ
चलो किधर जाना हूँ?
ਪ੍ਰੇਮ ਸ਼ਮੀ ਜੀ ਆ ਗਏ ਬਾਹਰ ਤੋਂ
ਹਾਂ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਬਾਰੇ
चलो.
Thank you, sir. All the best to you for your campaigning.
So therefore, he is going to actually lose by a record margin, because the alliance between the Congress, AAP, Samajwadi Party, the left parties is working on the ground. So while you may create a chimera of activity by bringing in, you know, discredited leaders of the BJP whose presence only seeks to polarize and to lie to people, on the ground the reality is very different. Unemployment, inflation are really hitting people.
So house number 84, sector 24. This is the place your childhood has been.
This is the place where my father was assassinated on the 3rd of April 1984. These houses were not, if you pan here, these houses were not there. This used to be an empty park,
Okay.
right? All the way down to the PGI Community Center. So this is where they came. There were 3 of them. One was in the car. 2 went inside at about 6:20 in the morning. We don't want to invade somebody's privacy, but that's where they assassinated my father, who was then a nominated member of the Rajya Sabha. And this became the trigger for my impetus to participate in public life. So I just thought I'll give you an idea.
Right.
idea.